Have you ever needed cashew milk powder right now, but didn't have the time to soak, dry, or wait for hours? Today I'm sharing a 5-minute instant method that works perfectly for vegan Mawa and Indian sweets. Let's start. Take 1 cup of raw cashew nuts. If you have 1 minute, place the cashews in the freezer. This reduces oil release and gives a finer powder. Place the cashews in the blender jug. To this, add 1 teaspoon sugar, which helps to grind finely. Also add 1.5 tablespoon soya milk powder and 1 tablespoon cornflour or rice flour. These absorb excess oil and prevent clumping. That's it, only 3 ingredients. Grind the cashews in short pulses, 3 seconds on, 3 seconds off. Some grinders have a pulse function, which is ideal for this method. Don't use the normal grinding function, as the cashews will turn into a paste. Stop when the texture looks sandy, not buttery. This should take 1 to 2 minutes. Stop and scrape the sides from time to time to ensure even grinding. Sift the powder in a fine sieve. You may press the powder through with your fingers to break up any clumps. Regrind any coarse bits once and you're done. This is the texture you want: dry, fine, free-flowing and non-greasy. Store it in the fridge. It should last up to 2 months. This powder is not for beverages. It's designed for cooked applications like vegan Mawa that is used to prepare gulab jamun. This is a professional kitchen shortcut I use specifically for vegan Mawa, gulab jamun, barfi and peda when speed matters. Some tips for success: avoid grinding continuously, that releases oil, and don't skip the stabilizers. They are the reason this easy method works. If you like to see how I turn this into a 10-minute vegan Mawa, let me know in the comments. I have a recipe soon on making gulab jamun, so watch out for it. And if this shortcut helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.